Ciao to you out there on the other side of the screen. This is Ollie here at Visordown with the latest new for 2022 motorcycle launch, the Ducati Multistrada V2. The newest addition to the popular Multistrada family, the V2 replaces the 950 as the entry point among Ducati's adventure come sports, come tourer, come all-rounder, come Swiss Army knife. Arriving a year after Ducati launched a tech-heavy, sweet-sounding Ducati Multistrada V4, for this new model, it has chopped the V in half and squeezed in the 937cc Testastretta V2 engine that can be found in the Panigale V2 and the latest generation Monster. It's the first in what is literally a series of new models on the way from Ducati, with 6 episodes scheduled between now and December, with the Multistrada V2 forming the effective pilot episode under the title Your Everyday Wonder. That is a clue as to the Multistrada V2's intended audience, leaning closer towards the sports tourer portion of its jack-of-all-trades billing, to go up against a wealth of talented rivals, most notably the Yamaha Tracer 9 and Triumph Tiger 900 GT. The V2 stops short of an overhaul of the existing design, eschewing the sharp, defined looks of the V4 by retaining the 950's prominent nostril-flared snout and more squat-like proportions. A more tapered headlight cowl, bluff fairing and redesigned rims complete the mildly reworked look. Under the skin, the V2 engine keeps the power output pin to a sprightly 113 brake horsepower, with engineers instead tweaking the mechanicals to ensure greater longevity and durability. This allows it to claim oil changes that can be made every 15,000 kilometers, while valves don't need to be checked until after every 30,000 kilometers. Elsewhere, the Multistrada V2 benefits from an updated gearbox, some fancy Skyhook Evo semi-active suspension, and a 19-inch front wheel, while it's been hitting the salads too, with the curb weight down by 5 kilograms with some clever redesigned components. Designed to make light work of Italy's highways, hence the Strada in its name, the V2 benefits from an array of gadgetry inspired by the V4, with vehicle hold control, traction control and 4 riding modes, sport, touring, urban and enduro, giving you plenty of options on-road, off-road, in the city, on the open road, or if you happen to find yourself up a mountain. The Ducati Multistrada V2 will be available in 2 trim levels, Standard and S, with the latter S featuring whiz-bang, or rather wump bump, Skyhook suspension as standard, plus cruise control, full LED headlights with cornering function, Ducati quick shift, hands-free capability and high-res TFT dashboard. Set your calendars to November 2021 to get your hands on the first models to hit the showrooms, though prices are still TBA. So what else can we anticipate from Ducati over these next few weeks? Well, there are some hints from the episode titles, but we're anticipating the V2 engine to star again at some point, this time in the Street Fighter. While this isn't going to be the last new addition to the Multistrada family, with a sportier Pikes Peak V4 edition on the way too. What we do know is that it will be culminating in the launch of the new and rather exciting production version of the Ducati Desert X concept revealed in 2019, as Ducati prepares to lock horns in the dunes with the Yamaha Tenere 700 and recently launched Aprilia Touareg 660. Obviously, Visordown will be right there to bring you all the details as soon as they come, so like and subscribe to the channel right now because there is nothing worse than everyone seeing it before you do. Until then though, I bid you grazie and ciao for now.